The 700R4's overdrive gear allows relaxed cruising while maintaining strong acceleration capability when needed. Gear changes are smooth and unobtrusive, transforming what could have been a brutal muscle car into a vehicle with both authority and finesse. Drivetrain and handling. The drivetrain doesn't stop with power. It is engineered for balance and control. Modern four-wheel disc brakes bring performance braking capability to a car that never had this. Hardware in original factory specification. Dual piston calipers, high friction pads, and vented rotors ensure confident deceleration from any speed, while power assist makes it user-friendly. Combined with a balanced suspension setup, often upgraded to adjusted shocks, performance bushings, and reinforced components, this Camaro can handle corners with stability and composure once thought impossible for cars of its era. Power steering and power brakes provide comfort and confidence behind the wheel. What once may have been a heavy, imprecise steering setup becomes communicative and responsive. A setup that welcomes both relaxed cruising and performance runs with equal poise. The tires chosen for Restomods like this are typically performance-oriented radials that match the power and handling upgrades. They maximize grip and stability without sacrificing the classic ride quality that makes a vintage Camaro so beloved. Interior vintage design, modern execution. Inside, the cabin reflects both authenticity and refinement. The dashboard retains its original layout, but with upgraded gauges that offer clear, precise readouts of vital performance data, fuel pressure, oil temperature, voltage, tachometer, and speedometer, all framed in a way that honors the classic aesthetic while improving usability. This hybrid of retro design and modern technology defines the 1981 Camaro Restomod experience. Seating is another highlight. Custom upholstery, typically premium leather or high-quality vinyl, maintains the classic bucket seat look but with enhanced support and comfort. Each stitch and material choice reinforces the notion that this car was built not merely to show, but to be driven and enjoyed. Bench or bucket seats, depending on build preference, are often adorned with contrast piping or embroidered accents, echoing the Camaro's exterior color scheme. A subtle but effective design, cohesion that showcases attentiveness to every visual detail. Deep carpet underfoot, matching door panels, and restored or upgraded interior. Trim pieces produce an environment that feels both familiar and fully resolved. A place where a passionate driver feels connected to the car's heritage while appreciating the convenience and refinement of contemporary upgrades. Stainless pedals or custom engraved accents give just a hint of performance flair without compromising the overall classic feel. Experience, driving, and emotion. Starting this Camaro is an event.